What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. So today we're just going to be taking a look of the On7 Prime version 4.1 for our beloved Galaxy J7 2015. So let's just go to the settings, about phone, and then the software information, and here we will find that the Android security patch level is June 1 2018, Android version 7.1.1, Samsung Experience version 8.5. so what's new? Well, actually nothing, because this is just a minor improvement update, so you don't get a lot of things in this particular build, but still here it is. So this is the kind of home screen you get from the first boot, and it's totally working. Everything is now fixed, so every single thing like Wi-Fi, hotspot, VoLTE, everything is working. So please just don't comment that VoLTE is working or not, just watch the video fully. Now the settings, everything, yeah, it's working. And the search bar, let me show you a new emojis, because Cooper said that she wants the iOS 12 emojis, so iOS 12 emojis are now added into this particular build. So if you like it, just go and use those emojis you want. And let's just open up some applications. So this is the phone dialer, the default phone dialer, and the contact application, so nothing is actually changed. The calculator application, everything is kind of same as the earlier builds I showed before, I mean the videos I made before, and every single thing is same, so you don't got a lot of. Now let's go to the settings, and here let's just open up device maintenance, and let's just check up the memory, because a lot of people are interested to watch the RAM management. So here it is. Let's just turn down the brightness level a little bit. So we have about 139 MB, so let's just clean up the memory and see how much RAM do we got. So after cleaning the RAM, we get about 356 MB, which is kind of great, but still there will be some lag sometimes, so the ROM is not as good for playing like games as PUBG, because it will just give you a lower resolution. And if you want, just open up the camera, so you get the camera 7 camera, because I selected the camera 7, but you can also select the camera 8, and everything is now working, hyperlapse or any other thing, and every single thing is working. And so that's pretty much it. Now let's talk about on how you can install the Magisk. So just open up the Magisk application and just install the latest Magisk application that I have right now, the Magisk version 17.2. then click on install, then click on install again. Now click on direct install. So just wait for some time, and after just downloading the zip, now just simply reboot your device. Now wait for a little bit time, and after rebooting your system, just close the Magisk application again to just don't see the install and uninstall button. And yeah, just go and close the Magisk again. Now click on safety net check, and you will see something like this, that the CTS profile false and the basic integrity true. So what you need to do, just click on downloads, and here you need to search safety net check. So just search safety net, and here safety patch, yeah, you need to search that and just install the safety patch, and just click on the download button, and you are good to go. Just go and install, click on install that. Now simply reboot your device, and yeah, all done, and Magisk is successfully installed on your device. You can see my Android is now upgrading, and it's just optimizing the Android version. And now here we have the Magisk. Let me just go finish up the boot up. Now let's just go to the Magisk application, and here now just check the safety net check, and you will see that everything is now true. So that's how you can install the Magisk on the On7 Prime version 4.1. So guys, first of all, what you actually need to do is just go and open up the TWRP, and then click on install, and here just select the On7 Prime version 4.1, and here is the On7 Prime version 4.1. you can see. Now swipe to confirm flash and you will see the Aroma installer. So you are on the Aroma installer. Now click on next, and here's the changelog, and just go and see the changelog you want. Click on next again, click next again, your custom boot logo and the custom boot animation. So click next, and here you will get the deep-loaded features. So just select the Samsung Cloud Gateway dual messengers, but please don't select the dual speaker because it will not work. And I mean, it will work, but it will mess up your sound. And just select whatever you want, the sound boot, Samsung XDK, and the Google or the sounds, the sound recorder mode, Dolby Atmos, ES language, EN language. Samsung Byte mode is now working, so just go and enable that. Samsung Note, Samsung Music, Samsung Video List, Samsung Voice Note, Samsung Calculator, Samsung Email, and iOS 12 emojis. So yeah, just go click everything and then just click on next. And camera 7 is fully working, camera 8 is not working on the lock screen. So just to install whatever you want, I am installing the camera 7. And now the round mode or the no round mode, I suggest you the round mode to get a pie-like experience. So just click on next, and to root just select the magic root and click on next and install. So that's how you install this ROM. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and see you next time. Bye bye.